agad pinicturean.
Tinatanggal na agad.
We're about to begin on Christmas party.
Okay. Walang layo nyo dyan. Ano yun? Officers, sino? Pagkano?
But this is not about the MFB, okay? Today is about you, your loved ones who are here. Thank you to Major Cotelo, Major De La Cruz, Major Gordopes, Captain Walawan, Captain Madrid, Captain Arbo. They did a good job, okay? Para makilala kayo ng mga pamilya ng mga kasama natin. Saan si Vespo, and Chipler, Sergeant Das, okay? And the senior NCOs natin, from all the sections, and so with SWAT, senior NCOs dyan.
Giovanni Cibalo, the first commander. And syempre, this is what everybody's waiting for, the mealtime. And of course, to make this organized, you have to hop on this stage area for your souvenir group Victoria before you will be proceeding to the buffet. So tatawag ko na yung unang table, kaya na po yung next. Number. Everybody.
Dahil nang sinimulan ko na kanina, as per instruction, susunod sa akin, siyempre yung mga officer, after officer, yung mga senior NCO, ha? Either kumanta, sumayaw, or kumain ng buhay na manok, or apoy, ha? Pwede yan. Captain Gramahe. Grams! Grams! Gramahe, halika dito. Ha?
Don't know if you're happy or complaining. Don't want for us to win, where do I start? First you wanna